With the digital transformation, it has been increasingly important to present the indicators of our processes in the best possible way, according to the needs of each user and in an agile way. But how do you know which is the ideal tool to have the right information and that allows us to make the best decisions? EPM Portal is the perfect EPM component to display your process indicators clearly, objectively, and in real time. Its simple and intuitive interface allows the construction of dashboards, public or private, by the user directly in your internet browser. With integrated authentication to the EPM server, you can create various historical and real-time views of information that can be obtained from your EPM server or from other data sources such as SQL Server, Oracle, or other databases that support OLEDB. Integrated with the Ellipse data model, it allows you to create dashboards that automatically adjust to the select device or area. With EPM Portal, you will track all your metrics in real time and safely, allowing you to make more assertive and agile decisions, making your processes more efficient and profitable. EPM, Real-Time Intelligence.